provides some of the safety features on board. Properly fasten your seatbelt by the flat edges of the buckle. Release the zip on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn tight and low across your head. Aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 movable or wing window exits, and 2 rear exit doors. Location of each exit is clearly marked with a sign overhead and lights on the floor of the alley to an exit. Safety information card is provided in the seat back pocket in front of you. Your lid is on the back in the event of a water evacuation. Use a life vest under your seat, only until to do so. Open the pouch, remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull it tight. Once outside the aircraft, to inflate, pull down on the red tab, or to manually inflate one of the tubes at your shoulder. Slide and start making the way to the cabin one last time to make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened. All seat bags and tray tables are in their full upright and locked positions, and all of your carry-on items are stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. Slide a on smoking flights. Smoking is never allowed in aircraft lavatory. Federal law also prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require compliance with all item passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew members' instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking. We do have 2 lavatories on board, one in the front, one in the back. However, due to heightened security, you cannot stand, form a line, or congregate in the front part of the aircraft. If that front lavatory is occupied, please remain in your seat until it becomes vacant. Although we never anticipated changing, cabin pressure should one occur. 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. Immediately pull down on the yellow mask into the plastic tubing and fully extended. As this activates your flow of oxygen, place the mask over your nose and mouth, securing it with the elastic strap. If you are traveling with a small child or someone who may need assistance, please secure your mask first, then assist that person. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a uniformed crew member. That's it for today's note. Y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy our flight into El Paso. Approximate flying time today is about 1 hour, 35 minutes. We do have Wi-Fi on this aircraft for a small fee, or you can also watch free TV, compliments of Dish Network. Once again, we thank you for choosing us here at Southwest, and welcome aboard.